फंसा दिया गया है। उसने गलत नहीं किया है, बट ही हैज बीन ट्रैप्ड। तो मुंशी प्रेमचंद उसकी बात सुनते हैं और वो उसके बाद वो चला जाता है, और जब वो थोड़े दिन बाद वो अपने आप ही वो बच्चा छूट जाता है जेल से, तो बलदेव फिर से उनके घर आता है और वो बहुत सारी मिठाइयां और वो सब लेके आता है कि ये उन्होंने दिया है। अब मुंशी प्रेमचंद को याद आता है कि वो तो भूल ही गए थे कि उनको बात करनी है डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर से।
देता है।
हाँ,
वो तो देखो तो कितना दे रहा है।
ढूंढ रहा है।
Kanish Kumar, mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. Yes. फिर वो वो भूल जाते हैं कि उनको कुछ करना था उसके लिए, बट उनको जो भी गिफ्ट वो लेके आता है बलदेव, वो एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि वो बलदेव को दुखी नहीं कर सकते थे ये बोल के कि उन्होंने कुछ भी नहीं किया है तुम्हारे लिए। बलदेव उनको अपना दोस्त मान रहा है और वो चाहता था कि उसके बेटे को वो छुड़वा दे। तो वो मुंशी प्रेमचंद को इतनी हिम्मत ही नहीं हो रही थी कि वो बोलते कि मैंने तुम्हारे बेटे को छुड़वाया है। So with this, the story ends here. Children, I'll explain it to you, but because chapter 10 is also included in the pre-board, I want to discuss the question answer first. I'll explain the chapter, this part to you again later on. Okay. So let us discuss the question answer. First one, understanding the story. The narrator is a lawyer by profession, right or wrong?
False.
False. The district officer had a keen interest in history.
True.
The
True.
narrator Baldev used to be about 10 years ago.
False.
False. 45 years ago. Baldev came to see the narrator because he was keen to revive an old friendship. फ्रेंडशिप को रिवाइव करने आया, फिर से बरकरार करने आया था कि या फिर अपने बेटे के काम से आया था?
False.
मैम उसके बेटे के काम से आया था। फॉल्स।
काम से आया था।
फॉल्स।
He did not come to revive the friendship. He had come for his son to take favor from the district officer. The narrator requested the district officer to help his friend.
False.
False. False. Baldev was thankful to the narrator for saving his son. Was he thankful?
True.
Children, will you be able to understand the story, or should I read it at least? बताइए, should I read this part, second part? Actually, I'm having problem in this PDF. I'm unable to see it properly. Anyway, I'll read it out so that at least you are a little bit familiar with the story. I've told you the gist of the story, but still some incidents are there which where you have to answer the question also. Those incidents I have not mentioned. One day I was sitting in my room when a childhood friend called. We had studied together some 45 years ago, and then about 8 or 9 years old, he was about the same. I was thin, lean, and intelligent. He was strong, fat, and dull. Our teacher was completely fed up of him and had suggested me the task of giving him extra lesson. I consider this a great honor, and where the teacher's cane failed, my sympathetic approach yielded result. Now, teacher's cane failed. That means teacher अपनी जो strict होके उससे काम निकालना चाहता था कि वो अच्छा करे पढ़ाई में, तो वो काम नहीं आ रहा था। बट मैंने जब अपने दोस्त को एक बच्चा है ना, दोनों एक ही एज ग्रुप के थे, तो उसने जब उसको सिखाना चालू किया, उसने जब उसको एक्सप्लेन करना चालू किया, तो ये जल्दी सीखने लग गया। टीचर नहीं सिखा पा रहा था उसको, और वो जल्दी सिखा दिया उसने अपने दोस्त को, क्लासमेट को। सो यील्डेड रिजल्ट, और उसका रिजल्ट दिखाई देने लगा ये कि वो अच्छा करने लग गया क्लास में। He started doing well in class, yielded result, showed result. Baldev was soon well up. Soon well up means वो पढ़ाई में अच्छा हो गया. Unfortunately, the teacher, after the teacher's sudden death, the school closed down and we all parted. Now, उस समय क्या होता था कि एक ही टीचर पूरा स्कूल चलाता था. तो that teacher died and the school was closed because there was no other teacher and they all parted. Parted माने सब अलग अलग चले गए. प्रेमचंद कहीं और पढ़ने लग गए. वो उनका दोस्त बलदेव कहीं और पढ़ने लगा क्योंकि वहां कोई टीचर ही नहीं था उस स्कूल में. Now, I wanted to see you two for a long time, said Baldev. You are my
teacher.
You are my teacher. You have, please read out, one of you, Shrija, please read out. I'll explain it in between because I'm unable to read.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Or any other child?
Ma'am, I am reading.
Yes, read.
Ma'am, from where I have to read, ma'am?
From this paragraph only. I wanted to see you.
Okay. Ma'am, I wanted to see you too for a long time, said Baldev. You are my teacher, you know, but for you, I would still have been a good for nothing chap. Now, I can at least look after my lands. I don't know why, but whatever the Maulvi Sahib taught me went completely over my head. For teaching an ass like me, the credit goes entirely to you.
Okay,
Baldev.
wait, stop. Now he's saying that the teacher was Maulvi Sahib. So he's saying that whatever my teacher used to teach, जो भी वो पढ़ाते थे वो मेरे सिर के ऊपर से चला जाता था. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता था वो पढ़ाते क्या है. मगर जब तुमने मुझे पढ़ाना स्टार्ट किया, एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस ली, तो मुझे सब कुछ समझ में आने लग गया. This is what he wants to say. Okay, continue.
Ma'am, can I read Pavni?
I said,
Please, here no reading. I'm just explaining and I have to finish fast. That is why I am doing it. Yes.
Baldev, I said, overwhelmed. Whenever I see you, the childhood memories revive with all the freshness, and this long spell of 45 years vanishes in a minute. Baldev replied, I have always considered you an elder brother, you know, and tell everyone that I can depend on you whenever I am in trouble. Why don't you eat properly? You are thin as ever. If you can't cook good ghee, I can send you a couple of tins. Now you are getting old. Food is the only thing that will keep you going. Look at me.
Okay.
I can still
Okay.
drink a seer of milk and eat a quarter seer ghee beside some butter.
Okay.
I have
Now 1 minute, Shrija. Now what is he trying to do, children? What is he trying to do? Baldev?
he's
Buttering.
trying to butter him up.
Buttering him. Yes, he is buttering him. कि I treat you like my brother and whenever I am in trouble, जब भी मैं किसी मुसीबत में होऊंगा तो मैं जानता हूँ कि मेरा दोस्त मेरी सहायता करेगा. All this is buttering. He is buttering him. Why? You will come to know why he is buttering. And then he is saying that I can send you a seer of ghee and all. You should eat these kind of things. Then only you will be strong and all. You are getting old now. We are getting old. And then he tells about his diet also. Yes, continue.
Yes, ma'am. I have to keep fit, although the whole life has been spent in bringing up the children. Do they care about me? If I were to fall ill, they would not even come to ask if I needed anything. Yes, I have come to you about my eldest son. You know, he is also a hefty and well built man like me and can never take anything lying down. On a number of occasions, he quarreled with the police, and they have always been on the lookout for an opportunity to implicate him.
Okay,
Recently,
stop. Now he is telling about his son, that his son is also a hefty man. Hefty means
well
mota
built,
tagda.
fat,
Yes, well built. Mota tagda hai. And if anything is fallen down, he cannot pick up. That means he is so fat that he cannot bend down. यही वो बताना चाह रहा है कि वो मोटा तगड़ा है और वो शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड भी है. That is why he has had so many times um, he had problem with the police also. Yes, then the police, what did the police do? Yes, continue.
The police have always been on the lookout for an opportunity to implicate him. Recently, when
Implicate
a
means
decath-
fasana, implicate. Yes.
Recently, when a decathy took place in the village, they got their chance and during the investigation roped him in. He is under arrest and has been in jail for the last 1 week. The case is filed in the court of the Deputy Collector, Mr. Muhammad Khalil. The Daroga Sahib and he are great friends, and I am sure that my son will be sentenced. No one but you can save him. If he is sentenced, the whole family will be ruined. I do not expect you to do anything out of the way. All you have to do is to go and tell the district officer that it is a completely false case and that he should investigate the matter personally. You are a
Okay,
childhood
okay,
friend of
okay.
mine.
After few lines, you have to stop. Now he is saying that I want you, बोल रहा है प्रेमचंद से कि मैं बस इतना चाहता हूं कि तुम डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर को जानते हो और वो दरोगा साहब को भी जानते हैं. तो डेप्यूटी कलेक्टर मिस्टर मोहम्मद खलील, द दरोगा साहब, एंड ही आर फ्रेंड. तो आप अगर उनको जाके बोल दोगे कि मेरे बेटे ने कोई गलत काम नहीं किया है. ही इज सेइंग, आई एम नॉट सेइंग एनीथिंग एल्स, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट ही इज इनोसेंट इन दिस केस. बस ये बता दो उसको कि ये इनोसेंट है, तो फिर वो छूट जाएगा. यस.
You are a childhood friend of mine and my guru. Please do not refuse. I know that you do not like getting involved in such matters, and it is right too. But in this case, you should think as if your own son were in trouble. If the case had not been absolutely false, I would not have troubled you. The boy's mother is crying her heart out. His wife has not eaten anything since his arrest. As a matter of fact, nothing has been cooked in the house since he was taken away. If he is sentenced, I am sure that both these women will die. I have consoled them by saying that as long as you are alive, no one can harm the boy.
Okay. Now he tells that if anything happens to my son, my wife and his wife, both of them, these ladies will die. Why? Because they are not consuming anything. कुछ खा पी नहीं रही हैं, रोते जा रहे हैं उन लोग. तो आप बस इतना करवा दो कि ये छूट जाए किसी तरह से. Because उसने कोई गलत काम किया ही नहीं है. He is sure that his son has not done anything and he has been implicated. उसको फंसाया गया है इस केस में. उसने कोई गलत काम नहीं किया है. Okay, now next.
I was in a great fix. All the objections that I could have put forward had already been answered by Baldev Singh. I could not think of a valid excuse and had ultimately to get out of the predicament. All right, I shall mention it to the district officer, but it is doubtful that anything would come out of it. He does not interfere in the work of his subordinates.
Okay, now he says that I'm in a great fix. माने मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं करूं क्या. Because all objections that I could have put forward. अब जो ये बोल रहा है, मुंशी प्रेमचंद बोल रहे हैं कि अगर मैं ऑब्जेक्शन करता कि मैं किसी का फेवर नहीं ले सकता हूं, तो उसने ऑलरेडी बोल दिया कि मैं फेवर लेने को बोल ही नहीं रहा हूं तुमसे. मैं तो बस इतना बोल रहा हूं कि तुम बता दो कि मेरे बेटे ने कोई गलत काम किया ही नहीं है. बस इतना ही. और वो जो दरोगा साहब हैं, वो इस केस को पर्सनली डील करें, तब उनको समझ में आ जाएगा कि मेरे बेटे ने कोई गलत काम नहीं किया है. दिस ओनली ही इज सेइंग दैट आई वांट हिम टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड ultimately to get out of this spread. All the members of the district, but it is doubtful that anything would come out of it. Now वो बोल रहा है और प्रेमचंद बोल रहा है कि मुझे नहीं लगता है कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर अपने इस केस में कुछ करेगा, क्योंकि वो किसी भी सबऑर्डिनेट जो उनके साथ काम करने वाले हैं उनके मैटर में वो इंटरफियर नहीं करते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट.
You go and tell him about this case, repeated Baldev Singh. That is all that I ask of you. The rest will all depend on fate. Will you go tomorrow? Baldev Singh took leave of me. I completed the article I was writing and lay down to rest after finishing my meals. I had no intention whatsoever of keeping my promise to him. All I had to tell him when I met him next was that the district officer did not consider it proper to interfere in the case.
Okay. Now he's saying you just go and tell him about the case. उसके बारे में केस के बारे में उसको बस बता दो. मुझे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए उसे. That is all I ask you. The rest will depend on fate. भाग्य पे. बाकी सब भाग्य पे छोड़ दो. बस इतना ही तुम बोलो. अब फिर वो पूछ रहा है, खुद ही पूछ रहा है कि कल जाओगे तुम? Will you go tomorrow? Baldev Singh. After this, Baldev Singh went away. Took leave of me means चला गया, वापस चला गया. And उस समय मुंशी प्रेमचंद कोई आर्टिकल लिख रहे थे. वो अपना आर्टिकल फिर से लिखने लगे और वो इस इंसिडेंट के बारे में पूरा भूल ही गए. I had no intention whatsoever of keeping my promise to him. All I had to tell him when I met him next time that the district officer did not consider it proper to interfere in this case. और उसने सोच लिया था कि जब वो नेक्स्ट टाइम आएगा पूछेगा अपने इसके बारे में तो वो यही बोल देगा कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर ने बोला मैं इसमें इस केस में इंटरफियर नहीं करता हूँ. ओके, नेक्स्ट.
I had completely forgotten about the incident when 8 days later Baldev Singh and his son came to see me. The son knelt and touched my feet. Baldev Singh said, "This is the boy. He has been let off without a blemish." The district officer called the Daroga Sahib and reprimanded him severely, warning him that if in future he indulged in maligning innocent and respectable people, he would be dismissed. The Daroga could not even show his face to me after this. "It is all due to you. But for you, we would have been undone. You have saved 4 lives. When I came to you, I had my doubts whether you would help. People had told me that nobody had ever benefited through you, but I was certain that you would not let me down." And saying this, he signaled to his son, who went out and brought a huge bundle of presents. In spite of my insistence, they refused to take it back, and I could not pick up the courage to tell him that I had done nothing to deserve this reward.
Okay. Now, एक दिन क्या हुआ? He had forgotten about this case, and one day what happened? Both the father and the son came to him, and his son knelt down. Kneel down मतलब झुक के प्रणाम करना. He touched his feet and he was let without a blemish. एक भी उसके ऊपर कोई भी आरोप नहीं साबित नहीं होता है और वो छूट जाता है वहां से. तो वो बताता है उसका बलदेव बताते हैं कि the district officer called the Daroga Sahib and बहुत उसको डांटा कि तुमने किसी को इस तरह से क्यों फंसाया. Warning him that in future if he indulged in maligning innocent and respectable people he would be dismissed. उसने बोला अगर इस तरह से तुम innocent people को फंसाओगे तो मैं तुमको dismiss कर दूंगा. And the Daroga Sahib could not even show his face to me after this. It is all due to you. Now all this is his imagination कि ऐसा हुआ था. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था. वो अपने आप ही उसका केस खत्म हो गया. Because it was true that he was not involved in it. You have saved my 4 lives. When I came to you, I had doubts whether you would help me. People had told me that nobody had ever benefited from you. अब ये बोल रहा है, देखिए पहले क्या बोल रहा था कि मुझे पता है कि तुम मेरे भाई की तरह हो और तुम मुझे जरूर मदद करोगे. अब यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि मुझे डाउट था कि तुम मेरी मदद करोगे कि नहीं, और मुझे लोगों ने भी बोला था कि ये किसी की मदद नहीं करता है, किसी का काम नहीं करता है. But still, I had my doubts whether you would help. People had told me that nobody had ever benefited through you, but I was certain that you would not let me down. But मुझे फिर भी ये ख्याल था कि तुम मुझे जरूर मदद करोगे. Let me down मतलब तुम मेरी मदद जरूर करोगे. And so saying this, he signaled his son. माने उसने अपने बेटे को इशारा किया कि वो huge bundle of present लाके दे दो. And Munshi Premchand could not do anything. This was the undeserved reward which he got. Is it clear now, children? Okay, now the answer. Answer the following question in 30 words. Why is the narrator a secret admirer of the district officer? Yes? Why is the narrator a secret admirer of the district officer? Who will tell me?
Srija.
Ma'am,
Yes,
narrate.
Shrija?
Because the
Because he's a
district
man of learning.
learning
Yes?
and had done considerable research in history and in old coins. The narrator
Yes.
also liked his works.
Yes. Now, children, this is 30 words, na? So you will write at least 2-3 sentences. So in the first paragraph only, it is given that he was a man of learning and he had done considerable research in history and old coin. And he admired him because he thought that how can he get time after doing his duty to devote time in all these things. So he became a district admirer of this. What did the Indian officer do when the father-in-law insisted in prolonging his daughter's stay at his home?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the Indian
invasion.
officer issued, ma'am, the Indian officer issued summons for the arrest of his father-in-law.
Father-in-law, yes.
Ma'am, when
And on the
Indian
next day,
officer.
the old man come with his daughter and begged for forgiveness.
Yes. Now, when the narrator was invited by the district officer to see him, his friends said that it was an insult to him. Why? Why did they say
Ma'am,
that it is an
Ma'am, when the narrator was invited by district officer to see him, his friend said that it was an insult to him because they thought that the district officer should have himself came to his house if he was so keen to meet him.
Yes. If he was so interested in meeting him, he should have come to his house. Okay. Why was the narrator happy that the district officer had not come to his house himself and instead of calling him? Why
Ma'am,
was
the
he happy?
narrator was
Because he was not
Garima,
capable to give him proper welcome. He didn't have even a proper chair or expensive cigar to serve him.
because he had to spend at least 4 to 5 rupees to entertain him, and then too he would feel that he was not able to do it properly. So
He was a hand to mouth person and he did not have a presentable house, neither could he afford expensive cigars for the district officer.
yes, this you can elaborate in your own way, children. You know the answer, you can elaborate it. Why I consider this as downright mean and dishonest? What did the narrator consider to be mean and dishonest?
Ma'am, the narrator had contact with the district officer, so it would be have been difficult for him. So it was had not been difficult for him to convince people through the narrator. So they could favor from the district officer, but
No,
he
no.
considered
To take
taking
favor
advantage.
from the district officer. To take favors from the district officer.
Yes, ma'am. He considered taking advantage from officer to be mean and dishonest.
Yes, yes, good. To take favors from the district officer, this he considered as mean and dishonest. How did the narrator and Baldev became friends in their childhood?
Ma'am, the narrator was thin, lean, and
How did
intelligent.
they become friends?
Ma'am, but the teacher had assigned the narrator the task of giving Baldev extra lessons. Because of the lessons
Yes.
given by him, Baldev had become well in
Ma'am, they were
studies.
studying in the same school. The teacher was fed up with the studies of Baldev, so he told narrator to give the homework and exercises. And he started listening to the narrator carefully. Soon Baldev was also well up in studies, and hence they become good friends.
Yes. And soon he became good in studies and they became friends. Why had the police involved Baldev's son in a false case of dacoity? Samir. Samir, 8C, you want to answer?
Srija.
Okay, Shrija, give the answer.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Baldev's son was a strongly built man and had the tendency of fighting against or complaining against a bad situation. He had quarreled with the police and they were looking for an opportunity to implicate him.
Okay. Yes, because he had quarreled with the police officer many times and they were looking for an opportunity to implicate him.
Ma'am, on a number
And
of
so,
occasions he quarreled with the police, and they have always been look an opportunity for implicate him.
been in a
Ma'am,
lookout to implicate him. Yes.
so the police
Yes,
involved
both the
Baldev's
answers.
son in a false case of deceit.
Yes. Now, Baldev presented many arguments before the narrator to convince him to speak to the district officer. State a few arguments and identify the one which you think is the most convincing, giving reason to justify. Now, he gave many arguments that why he should talk to the district officer. अपने बेटे को बचाने के लिए उसने बहुत सारे आर्ग्यूमेंट दिए कि इस कारण से एक तो क्या क्या बोला था उसने he said
Ma'am,
that his wife
He
is
told that his
not
son
eating
was
anything.
innocent.
He told
Ma'am,
his wife and his mother
Yes,
not eating
first of all,
anything.
his son was in- yes,
no one but
then
you can save
mother
him.
And
He also
ma'am,
told that the entire family and son's life would be
and
ruined.
nothing has been cooked in the house since he was taken
yes,
away.
Ma'am, you are a childhood
yes,
friend of
yes,
mine
very
and my guru.
And ma'am,
The son's mother was
if he
crying and had
sentenced,
not eaten anything since his
and
arrest.
ma'am, if he
okay,
sentenced,
okay.
he showed
You,
that both these women will die.
which one do you think is most convincing?
Ma'am, I think the most convincing argument is the boy's mother is crying her heart out, and his son was not eaten anything because in this argument there's a question of his mother and wife who are not guilty and don't deserve this pain.
Ma'am, I think the
Okay,
most
very
convincing.
good. Anyone
think
with any other answer? Shrija, you would like to answer?
yes, ma'am. I think the most convincing argument is that no one
Yes,
but the narrator can save his son, as he had met the
yes.
district officer once, and if he did not help him, Baldev's family will be ruined. Also, the implication was false, and it would do him no harm if he asked the officer to investigate the matter personally.
Yes, yes, children. Shrija, continue.
Okay, ma'am. I think the most convincing argument is that no one but the narrator can save his son, as he had met the district officer once, and if he did not help him, Baldev's family will be ruined. Also, the implication was false, and it would do him no harm if he asked the officer to investigate the matter personally.
Like to answer this? Yes. Quickly, children. We are running out of time. Yes. Yes, children? Okay. For homework, you will do these questions, and tomorrow's class, we will discuss the HOTS and all. And children, I'll send you the question answers also this time, because this class has not been done very effectively. So I would send you the question answers. If you want, you can write your own answer. If you want, you can write my answers also. It is not compulsory that you have to write those answers only. You can, if you want, you can write.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, were you able to listen
Yes,
to
if
my
you're
answer?
having any problem, then you can discuss, because HOTS and all we will discuss tomorrow.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
am not able to see in this. I would like to take a book and then I will take the class. Yes. From PDF, I'm not able to read it properly because of the lighting and all. Yes. Anyone having any problem, you can ask me. Anything which you have not understood, you can ask me. Now in the writing section also,